What is a domain and why do I need one? Domains are a fundamental part of the internet. You use them hundreds of times a day, from reading the news to banking to streaming Netflix or online shopping. But what is a domain? A domain is what you type into a browser, for example Chrome, Safari, Firefox or Edge, to access a specific website, or it's what you see above every link result in a Google search. Domains are easy to remember placeholders for server IP addresses, for example 142.250.97.93. The key takeaway here is domains are easy to remember, good for your visitors, and good for your brand. Why is a domain important? It's the recognizable and memorable name you give to your website. It can explain what your website is offering or what it's about. How and where can I get a domain? Start by using WordPress.com's domain finder tool. Type your desired name and instantly see what's available. WordPress.com offers many great domains, including .com, .org, and tons more, even .blog. And if you sign up to any of our paid plans, you get your custom domain for free for the first year. Final thoughts. Your domain is your brand. It secures your place on the web. It makes you and what you're offering appear recognizable, reputable, and memorable. Whatever you decide, make sure you go with a domain registrar you trust like WordPress.com. To secure your domain and the website for your adventure, head over to WordPress.com to get started.